If you live in your inbox, you've probably wondered, is it worth switching to Superhuman? Or should I stick with Gmail? Or perhaps Outlook? Here's the real difference. Gmail is the default. Fast, reliable, deeply integrated with Google's ecosystem. Outlook leans more towards professionalism, with deep calendar tools, robust email rules, and Microsoft 365 baked in. Superhuman is built for speed. It's invite only, costs $30 a month, and promises to make you feel like you have superpowers in your inbox. Superhuman is all about keyboard shortcuts. You can archive, reply, delegate, or snooze emails faster than you'd click. It's minimalist, distraction-free, and designed for people who want inbox zero every day. Gmail has shortcuts too, but it's heavier, especially with tabs, ads, and extensions. It works, but it's not optimized for speed. Outlook is even more feature-rich, but that comes with clutter. Great for scheduling, less so for flying through email. Gmail totally shines if you're deep into Google Docs, Drive, or Meet. It also has excellent spam filtering and third-party add-ons. Outlook is perfect for corporate setups, especially if you're managing multiple calendars, rooms, or tasks. Superhuman strips all that down. You get split inboxes, read receipts, undo send, and reminders, but everything is tuned for performance, not depth. So, use Gmail if you're in Google's world and want simplicity, Outlook if you're managing a corporate workflow, but if email speed is your bottleneck and you're willing to pay for flow, Superhuman is super hard to beat.